Hi, my name is John Sly, and I'm a real estate agent with Edina Realty here in Eden Prairie, Minnesota. And I have some great news for those of you who are following the real estate market, and that is that the residential real estate market in the Twin City area, which includes 13 counties around Minneapolis and St. Paul, beat the Dow, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq in 2022. The Wall Street Journal reported on December 31 of last year that the Dow was down 8.8%, S&P 500 down 19%. The Nasdaq was down over 33%. How did we do in the residential real estate market in the Twin Cities? Well, when you look at November 2022 compared to 2021, we were up 4%. Rolling 12 months, we were up 6.8%. So if you're on the sidelines and you're a first-time home buyer thinking about getting into the market, now is a great time to jump in. Interest rates are coming down, inventory is increasing, and if you want to build long-term wealth, now would be the time to get in. If you have any questions at all about real estate in the Twin City area, give me a call. Contact me through my website, johnsly.com, and I'd be glad to answer any questions you might have. All right, have a happy new year and a very prosperous one as always. Thank you.